Oil prices lower, will the bulls bow out? This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore. And following a 305-point rally in the Dow Jones Industrials, based largely on the push higher in oil prices, that's not the case today. We'll get to that in a minute. And we also have working with us the ADP report on jobs added in the month of January, up 213,000. That's a bit anemic from expectations. We have a big corporate deal, Staples acquiring Office Depot for $6.3 billion. Earnings matter. We see an opening at all-time highs for Disney, and also positive news for Whirlpool, Clorox, and General Motors, and they may be raising their dividend. Let's get to the overseas markets, give you an indication of what to expect on Wall Street in the trading session ahead. The Nikkei in Japan up almost 2%, a gain of 342.89 at 17,678 and 3/4. Hang Seng Hong Kong up 125 at 24,680, just under that level. The Fancy in London at report time down 55 at 68.17. DAX in Germany down 45 at 10,847. CAC on Paris down 17 at 46.60. Oil prices dropping more than 4%, down $2.30 at $50.85 the barrel. Gold is trading higher by $7 at $12.67 the ounce. And that's your information. Don't ever unless you will. Remember, those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.